I'm the executive chef here, and today we are going to do some, it's called Flavours of the Earth. So we are cooking underneath the ground. This is a method which is used in most of the islands. So it takes approximately 30 to 45 minutes. And by the time you are done with your starter, then the main course will be ready.
Here we go. Meats are coming. Flavors of the earth.
Okay, so now the magic is happening.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa. You're done. Don't step in the hole.
Another travel writer honeymoon dinner. Flavors of the earth. This is Maldivian flatbread?
Yeah, kulikaja.
Kulikaja.
I know when you join. He's like, let me show you how to do it.
It's like an archaeological dig. We're about to get flavors from the earth. Spank it. Spank it. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
Flatbread, the main course is on the way as well.
That looks like tuna.
I don't even know where to start.
Right. Tiger prawns.
Tiger prawn.
All right, all of the things. Churros. Banana cake. Churros. Anaconda.
Fruit.
Boring fruit.